Hello everyone, this is Rita of Creative Artmosphere, and I am back with another practice session. I want to just jump right in, and today I'm going to be sketching a basketball player holding a ball backwards. So it's got some foreshortening involved in the arms and the legs, so to speak, but the arm, I'll show. It's better just to start and you can see where this is going. So this is the basketball here. I'm going to start out drawing that basketball. And after I've sketched everything in, I can go back and refine the shapes here. I hope you can see that. Let me make sure this is readable. Check the exposure here, take it down a little bit. I think you can see that a little bit better. Now from here, I'm going to do a stick figure.
Tired of looking at regular old photos? Let Creative Artmosphere draw that photo as a fun caricature. Our artist Rita is a warm and friendly creative that draws caricatures across America. Create a memory that will bring smiles and laughter for years to come. Creative Artmosphere can draw from photos submitted via email. To inquire about pricing, send a message to creativeartmosphere1@gmail.com or on social media by message to Facebook at Creative Artmosphere. Also, you can send a direct message on Instagram to creative_artmosphere. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Creative Artmosphere. And head over to Facebook and give the Creative Artmosphere page a like. Let us create a lasting memory for you and your family.
To the shoulder here. All right. So we've got the head drawn in. Make that shoulder a tad bit bigger. And then this shoulder right here. And here's the elbow. Then this is the rest of the arm here. So let's put that body in. Just using a simple line sketch right now. And this is the leg right here. It's coming towards the camera. And I think I have this arm a bit too long, so I'm going to remove that and put in another sketch line here for my arms, this arm here. So what I need to do is bring this shoulder up. I'm looking at it and I've got that shoulder a bit too low. So I want to make a readjustment and put that shoulder about right here. Then swing that arm this way, a little closer to the body. Elbow right here. That forearm going out here. Stop it there. Okay, so this is the basic pose of the basketball player. So what I'm going to do now is grab a pencil and put in the geometrical shapes for each body part, each body limb. I'm going to make this shoulder here a tad bit rounder. There's the joint here that connects this to the arm. This bicep here. And this here, I'm going to draw this over and work this out again because I can see where the forearm is covering the ball more so than what I've had. I had it near his fingertips. And it's more like this position here, closer to the forearm. All right, so now I'm going to put in the barrel of his body. That's the hip joint right there. And I'm pretty much just working out these shapes using geometrical cylinders and circles, so on and so forth, squares as well. Anything that will help me in figuring out the shapes that I'm looking at. All right. Oh, this arm here. Let's get this one going. Shoulder here. Cylinder shape here. Another circle for the elbow. And then the forearm is going out this way, pretty much in front of his body, crossing over his body, going away from us. And then let's put that wrist in there, here, the wrist joint. The barrel of his body here, the waist here, pelvic area here. Now let's redefine the head shape here. So now that we've got all the cylinder shapes drawn in, we can erase that initial stick figure drawn in with the vine charcoal. And I've got my chamois cloth here, and I'm just going to lightly wipe everything away that we don't need, all those initial guidelines that I laid in. And this is what I have here now. What I'm looking for is my electric eraser. You know, this, I'm going to show you the bag loaded with erasers for my electric eraser. This should last me for, I'm thinking, at least a year. Right there. I think it's 400 of the large ones. Let me get this in view. I got some new supplies at Blick. They have a nice set here that I'll be experimenting with. There's 20 pencils in here from 10H to 8B. Looking forward to using that. And this is the General's brand, Kimberly pencil. There's, I think, 12 pencils, 10 pencils in here, 4H to 8B. Looking forward to using this set as well. I never had a full set of this brand before, and looking forward to experimenting with it. I also picked up the Black Wing matte pencil. These are very nice. I enjoy using these. I, in fact, used this one in this video here today. So, yeah, these are really nice. You can get a lot of gradation out of these. This pencil here with the amount of pressure you apply to the lead. When I went to the art supply store, they actually had erasers to refill the Black Wing matte pencil, but they were for the Pearl brand. I didn't see any for the matte, which would have been a black eraser. The Pearl was the white eraser. They have a Pearl Black Wing as well. I think there's 3 different pencils made from this company here. There's probably more than that, but as far as what you would use for sketching, I normally see the matte wing, Black Wing matte, Black Wing pearl, and then there's one that's, I don't remember the name, so I shouldn't try to. I'm gonna butcher it if I do. So I'm just gonna take it from here and erase my pencil shavings and just start filling in some of the shading. Put some clothes on these, this figure here. Let's see. And here we go. And I'm just making the shoes look like wedges. Not too much detail there. And let's get this arm here. Well, this pencil here is a Dixon pencil. Bought it at the hardware store. The eraser isn't that great for this surface here. Well, everyone, this has been Rita Rue of Creative Artmosphere signing off for now. Got a quick sketch. Haven't been feeling so well. Previous week, feeling a little bit better, so I thought I'd make a video, and I'm glad I did. Hopefully, you can get something out of this just as well as I did. Got more practice in. I hadn't picked up a pencil in a little while, so it was long overdue. My goal is that I can share what I learned with you in hopes that you can pick it up along the way, and we share and learn in this thing together. Well, once again, this is Rita Rue signing off for now. Bye-bye.